Today's video here will be about the Realme C2. This is an entry-level smartphone from Realme. It is brand new in the market. Well, not really that brand new, it's been out for almost a month now. This phone has a really beautiful back and we're just going to talk about it here in this video. Alright, so to begin, the Realme C2 is an entry-level smartphone. It comes with a Helio P22 6.1-inch 720p display with a water drop notch at the front here. At the back here, you got a 13-megapixel camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. At the front here, you have another 5-megapixel selfie camera under that water drop notch again. And overall, the feel of the phone is really lightweight. It's comfortable to hold, and in the box, you don't get any included case, but you do get a pre-installed screen protector as shown here. Back is fantastic, it looks beautiful, and it feels beautiful as well. So the Helio P22 is paired up with a 3GB RAM in this phone right here. I would suggest you to skip gaming altogether because it is just not powerful enough when you run PUBG Mobile. You know what it says? Go all the way to the lower settings and you can only play at medium frame rates with nothing else enabled. And you will still get really just uncomfortable gaming experience out of it. I tried running Contra Returns as well, it's not really running that great. But if you want to use it as a, well, basic phone to take some quick pictures and to just use WhatsApp, Facebook and whatever, it's fine. So speaking of the camera, right, at the back here, it does take okay pictures. Don't expect too much out of this thing. You don't even have night mode, even though it's using ColorOS 6, which is found in the Realme 3 Pro and also the Realme 3, which both of the phones I really like a lot. Well, overall, it's a good phone, I think, as your secondary phone if you're not going to use it much, or just as a backup, maybe, well, for your grandparents, your parents or whatever who just wants a phone that works, and for WhatsApp and all those kind of things. So for the price of the Realme C2, it's only at 429 ringgit. It is very cheap, very affordable, and great as a secondary phone if you just need something that works. In terms of battery, the Realme C2 comes with a 4000 mAh battery. The Helio P22 is not really that power efficient to begin with, but it can last you for a full day. Again, you can't really do much on this phone anyway because its performance is just there. You can't really game on this thing as well. And for the price of 429 ringgit, I think it's pretty worth it. And yeah, that's it for the Realme C2. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this. It's just a quick overview and our summarized review of this phone right here. And do subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!